Hello, Trailblazers. We all have been in dilemmas while choosing the best route for multiple locations. Frasa Squares have an answer for all your confusion: DS Route Optimizer. It helps in planning the traveling route of multiple locations in a single trip. Nowadays, everyone looks for an application that helps them in finding out an optimum solution. Squares Route Optimizer is the one. This app is most feasible for the sales and marketing personnel who need to interact with multiple clients in a day. Make a hassle-free trip. So, do you want to know how it works? It is a simple application to use in which users need to. For a hassle-free trip. First, you need to visit the Salesforce App Exchange. Using the Squares Route Optimizer is an easy thing. You will be entitled to the great features. Make your every trip simple and traffic-free. So, here are some perks of using it. Stay tuned with us for more revolutionary things about Salesforce. Download the Route Optimizer now for a distinct experience.